Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
At me all the time. You gotta slam it.
Yep.
Hey, Randall. 4 Pure X 415.
Okay.
On 2 piece for 15K.
What's your port tunes on this side? If you know.
Not offhand, no.
Have you done any SPL peak tests or anything to know?
61.
61. Awesome.
59 on music.
Okay. What frequency?
I can play down in the 30s, but at 43.
Okay. You happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
What are these subs rated at RMS wise?
25.
25. Have you had any windshield issues yet? Oh yeah, there's your answer for that.
You know, Cody, you like smell.
Oh yeah. All right. Really good. Y'all actually did a really good, efficient wall build. The way you use your space, I just noticed that. Yeah, you built it in a good cubic size. What size sub-cubic space are you using per sub? Do you know? Like roughly? I'm sorry.
It's kind of custom, so it
You know? Yeah. It's hot.
Yeah, a little bit.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a picture real quick. There we go, sorry. Nice. What was your name?
Randall.
Brandon?
Randall.
Okay, thank you, man. Taking your breath away. Awesome job, man. I like it, man. Really good. Y'all actually did a really good, efficient wall build. The way you use your space, I just noticed that. Yeah, you built it in a good cubic size. I appreciate the demo, man. That was definitely like a 59 on music at least. Yeah, you did good. I appreciate it. That's a good tap out song right there. Oh yeah. You got one more for me or are we good?
I want to go meet her first.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet y'all. Appreciate it.